Today we're going to announce the winner from the Dayton Audio Outdoor Speaker System and tell you about this month's giveaway going on now. The DAX88 is your go-to multi-channel amplifier for both home and business uses. 8 inputs can distribute the audio to 8 different zones, and all of it can be controlled using a custom application called Matrio. The DAX88 and all of its accessories are available now, so head to the description of this video to learn more. Speaking of audio from your home or business, you need to check out these pendant speakers. They can hang from your ceiling, be mounted to a wall, or even hang out in your garden. Versatility is the name of the game, and with 3 different sizes, there's a perfect match for whatever you need. Last month, Dayton Audio helped us to give away an 8-inch indoor-outdoor 2-way speaker pair, as well as a 180-watt DB8 outdoor burial sub. And the person who's taking it all home, Arvo T from Rice, Minnesota. Congratulations, Arvo. We'll be in touch soon. Our next giveaway is going on right now, so check out the link in the description to enter to win a premium speaker package from B&C Speakers, which includes one B&C 12BG76 12-inch 1000-watt neodymium subwoofer and 2 B&C 5CXN44 5-inch coaxial drivers, a $560 value. If you want to learn more about the prizes, check out our interview with Bennett Prescott from B&C Speakers. The video is up on our channel now. Good luck to all who enter, and we'll see you next month.